Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now, verify the source and make a backup copy because changes are irreversible if you skip that step. Open the target project, note the version number, and enable write permissions so edits apply cleanly. Once done, locate the module labeled Fist Samp in the file tree and highlight it. You should keep a secondary copy nearby. This lets you roll back quickly if the change breaks dependent resources. Make sure autosave is off while you perform the first edit to control timing. Now you execute the middle steps. Edit the core parameters of the Fist Samp, adjust sample rate, amplitude, and offset with precise values. While you edit, refer to the dependency map and update any references. Relink the two modules that rely on this sample because unlinked dependencies cause runtime errors. Once edits are complete, validate syntax and run a dry apply to preview outcomes without committing. If validation reports warnings, address them before moving forward to avoid cascading failures. Finish by committing the changes and running the full test suite to ensure behavior matches expectations. Compare outputs to the baseline, inspect logs for errors and performance regressions. If critical failures appear, roll back immediately to your backup copy and investigate. Make sure to announce the change to stakeholders after a successful run. Troubleshooting tip. If tests fail intermittently, clear the cache, restart the host environment, then revalidate. This often resolves stale state or resource locking issues that obscure the real fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.